Fasting has become a trending topic in the health and wellness community, praised for its benefits in weight loss and overall health. Let's explore the different types of fasting, their benefits, and how they relate to ancient practices like Ayurveda. Intermittent fasting, IF, is one of the most popular methods. The 16-8 method involves eating within an 8-hour window and fasting for 16 hours. The 5:2 diet allows normal eating for 5 days and restricts calories to 500 to 600 for 2 non-consecutive days. Alternate day fasting, ADF, involves eating normally one day and fasting or consuming very few calories the next. Extended fasting, which lasts 24 hours or more, is usually practiced once a month. Ayurvedic fasting tailors fasting practices to individual doshas, Vata, Pitta, and Kapha, and focuses on seasonal adjustments and detoxification. Fasting offers numerous health benefits. It aids in weight loss by reducing insulin levels and increasing growth hormone levels. It enhances brain health by stimulating brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which improves cognitive function and protects against neurodegenerative diseases. It also boosts the immune system by reducing inflammation and improving gut microbiome health. Animal studies suggest fasting may extend lifespan through cellular repair mechanisms like autophagy. While modern science provides robust evidence of fasting's benefits, ancient practices like Ayurveda have long recognized these advantages and integrated fasting into holistic health regimens. Ayurveda emphasizes the importance of Agni, or digestive fire. A balanced Agni is crucial for optimal digestion and detoxification. Fasting helps to rest and rejuvenate Agni, enhancing its efficiency. Types of Ayurvedic fasting include fruit and liquid fasting, khichdi mono diet, and seasonal fasting. Scientific studies support Ayurvedic claims, showing that fasting can improve digestive health, enhance immunity, and balance bodily functions. Historical practices of fasting in ancient India contributed to spiritual and physical health, emphasizing balance and natural rhythms. Ayurveda's holistic approach integrates fasting with lifestyle, diet, and mindfulness practices, providing a comprehensive path to health. For beginners, start with 12-hour fasts and gradually increase the fasting window. Intermediate fasters can transition to 16/8 IF or the 5:2 diet. Advanced fasters might explore ADF or extended fasting, ensuring they stay hydrated and listen to their bodies. Successful fasting tips include staying hydrated, easing into fasting periods, and focusing on nutrient-dense foods during eating windows. Safety tips include consulting a doctor, avoiding overdoing fasting, and ensuring balanced nutrition during eating periods to prevent deficiencies. In summary, fasting can be a powerful tool for improving health, but it's important to approach it mindfully and consult healthcare professionals.